Hey everyone, welcome back to Build with Prime, where we cut the jargon and just get stuff done. Today, we're diving into something every backend developer, API consumer, or just curious coder should know, that is HTTP status codes for REST APIs. Because nothing says, I don't know what I'm doing, like returning a 200 OK when your app just exploded. So grab your coffee, let's get into it. What are HTTP status codes? Alright, for a quick recap. Every time your API responds to a request, it sends back an HTTP status code, that little number that tells the client what just happened. It's like a vibe check for your API. Everything's cool. 200 for OK. You messed up. 400 for bad request. I messed up. 500 for internal server error. Let's break down the most common ones you should be using. First up, the feel-good family, the 2xxs. 200 for OK. This means your request was successful. You get a resource, you get 200. Pro tip: don't use it for post unless you're not creating something. 201 for created. Use this when you've just created a resource via post, like creating a new user or saving a blog post. Include the location header pointing to the new resource if you want to be a RESTful rockstar. 204 for no content. Perfect for delete requests or when there's nothing to return, but everything went fine. No payload, no drama. Now, let's talk about when the client messes up. This is the 4xx club, and no, they don't serve drinks. 400 for bad request. The client sent something invalid, maybe missing parameters, wrong JSON format, you name it. Don't be shy, add a helpful error message in the response body. 401 for unauthorized. You're not logged in, buddy. This usually means missing or invalid authentication. Note, it doesn't mean you're not allowed. That's a job for 403. 403 for forbidden. You're authenticated, but you still don't have access. Like trying to delete someone else's account? Nope. 403. 404 for not found. The classic. Resource doesn't exist. Whether it's an invalid ID or a misspelled endpoint, 404 is your friend. Just don't abuse it to hide all errors. Transparency is key. 409 for conflict. Usually comes up when there's a data conflict, like trying to create a duplicate entry. Think, that email is already in use. Boom, 409. Now when things go south on the server side, it's 5xx family's time. This one's on us. 500 for internal server error, the generic catch-all, something broke. Probably a null pointer, unhandled exception, or a forgotten semicolon. Don't use this for everything. Log it, monitor it, fix it. 502 for bad gateway. You're hitting an API gateway or reverse proxy, and it's failing to talk to the upstream server. 503 for service unavailable. Servers down, under maintenance, or just overwhelmed. Use this sparingly and set a retry after header if you want to be fancy. Now let's talk conventions. A few golden rules when building REST APIs. Use the right code. Don't return 200 just because it works. Match the status to the action. Consistency matters. Don't return 200 for one type of error and 404 for the same problem elsewhere. Always include meaningful error messages. Structure your error responses. Don't leak too much info in 500 errors. Keep it clean. Logs are for devs, not end users. Use standard codes before inventing your own. HTTP has plenty. Don't go rogue unless you really need to. So that's your crash course on HTTP status codes for REST APIs. Master these and your APIs will be easier to debug, easier to use, and a lot more professional. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite HTTP code, mine's 418, I'm a teapot, and of course, subscribe for more developer deep dives every week. This is Build with Prime. Keep building smart, and I'll see you in the next one.